2019 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety. Offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, remote engine start, power passenger seat, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, aluminum wheels, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener, AM/FM stereo radio, premium sound system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.